cloud was so phenomenal. By the time I grabbed my camera, it was over. Ooh. You guys, come here. There's a possum walking across the yard, and it's moving babies. And I just happen to have my camera recording it. I'm not even joking. It's carrying 3 babies.
I can't see
4. There's one facing this way too.
I can't see
so maybe there's even more. She doesn't even care that the cats are here. I hope No, I hope there's food. Oh, we're up there. No, my phone. It's behind. It's sitting right up there. It's got a whole back of them.
Oh.
A whole pile on its back.
You're in my way.
I know possums had babies on their back.
Yeah, they carry them everywhere.
Shut up, Luna.